Question number 4. I have three functions given. Part A, perform the long division, f of x over g of x. So what I'm going to do, so this is f of x, and this is g of x. I am going to divide the top dogs, the leading term for each. So x cubed divided by x squared is just x. And then I'm going to distribute this x with each of the three terms of the denominator. I will have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. And here, you have to be careful. I'm going to subtract each term. Negative 2 minus negative 3 is negative 2 plus 3. So I'll have positive x squared. And negative 9 minus 2 is negative 11x. And then I'm going to bring down the rest. And I keep going. X squared divided by x squared is positive 1. I distribute the positive 1 and have x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then I subtract. I would have negative 11 plus 3, which is negative 8. And 18 minus 2 is positive 16. Then do not forget to conclude. F of x over g of x would be equal to my quotient, x plus 1, plus my remainder, negative 8x plus 16, over the denominator, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Part B, I need to perform the synthetic division, f of x over h of x. So I'm going to take each of the coefficients of f of x. I'm going to substitute whatever makes x plus 5, h of x, 0, and that's negative 5. 1 plus nothing is 1, times negative 5 is negative 5, minus 2 is negative 7, times negative 5 is positive 35, minus 9 is 26, times negative 5 is negative, 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And negative 130 plus 18 is negative 112. This is my remainder, and I need to conclude. I need to know that you know how to interpret this layout, this process. F of x over h of x is equal to the x squared minus 7x plus 26 plus the remainder over x plus 5. Part C, using the synthetic substitution, evaluate f of 2. So I'm going to substitute 2. Here there's no change of sign. I'm going to use the same coefficients. 1 plus nothing is 1, times 2 is 2, minus 2 is 0, times 2 is 0, minus 9 is negative 9, times 2 is negative 18, and do not forget to conclude f of 2 equals 0. Factor f of x completely, because I have f of 2 equals 0, per the factor theorem, I can conclude that f of x equals x minus 2 times x squared minus 9. You have the x minus 2 given to you by this one here, and you have x squared minus 9 given to you by this one there. But it says completely, I'm not done yet. X minus 2 times, I recognize in x squared minus 9 the difference of 2 squared, so I'll have x minus 3 times x plus 3, which will make part E very easy. F of x equals 0 will be equivalent to x minus 2 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0, which means that x belongs to the following set with the elements 2, 3, and negative 3. And finally, part F, I just need to factor g of x. For that, you can use one of the many methods that we did review. So here, I will have x minus 1 times x minus 2. And here you have it.